How to create coupon code for WooCommerce. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do it. It's very simple. So let's just go and get to it. First, you will need to obviously have WooCommerce installed to your WordPress. And then from here, you simply just want to go to the main dashboard for WordPress, and you should be able to locate the tab for WooCommerce. Just hover over it and click on coupons. From here, all we need to do is just create a new one. So click on add new coupon on the top. So the first thing is going to be adding the actual code on here on the top. You can either generate a coupon code by just clicking on that button, or you can just name it something that you want. So we can just do save 10, for example. So this is what people need to write in order for the discount code to work. Or I mean, this is going to be the discount code. So after that, you have the description. It's optional. You don't really need to write anything in here, but it's just for your own reference. But anyway, we want to go down to the coupon data. And here we are just going to click on general. And then from here, we're just going to select the discount type. By default, it's the fixed cart discount, but I'm just going to make it percentage discount. It's obviously up to you. And I'm just going to do 10%. So I'm just going to do 10 here. If you want to allow free shipping, just tick this. And if you want to have an expiration date for it, you can just add that over here at the bottom. Next, you can even go to the usage restriction. And if you click on that, you can add some minimum spend, for example. So let's say this is going to only work if you spend, I'm not sure, let's just do 30. And this is obviously going to be with your own currency. Then you also have more options like individual use only. That means you can't use multiple different coupons at once. So if you want to take this, it's up to you. Then you also have the option to exclude items that are on sale. You can just tick this if that's the case for you. And at the bottom here, you can feel free to exclude a bunch of products if you want them to be off of the or not applicable with the discount code. Same goes for categories and brands. So next we can just go to the usage limits tab, and in here we have the unlimited usage by default, but you can just change this to specific number of times, so people can only use this 5 times, not per person, but in general. So only the first 5 people are going to be able to use this discount code, and it's just going to basically run out. If you delete it, it's just going to be unlimited until it expires or you delete the coupon code yourself. The second option here is going to limit usage to X items. So it's going to depend on how many items you have in cart and how many you want this coupon code to be applicable to. So let's say no more than 7 items. But I'm just going to remove it and leave it as it is. And for the last one, we have the usage limit per user. So how many times one person can use this discount code. We can just do 1. So any user is going to be able to use this coupon code only once. And once we're happy with all of these settings, what we can do is just click on publish on the right side here. And that's all we need to do. Just be sure to make your customers aware of this coupon code somehow. And if they use it now when they actually try to check out, it's going to work. And that's all you need to do. Obviously, you have the ability to delete it at any point. Even if you did not set an expiration date, if you just remove it, that's going to work as well. So you're completely fine. With that being said, this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.